Hello everyone! Welcome back again to my channel. By the way, this is Mentor Joba, a political science instructor, and my goal here is to guide students on their studies. Okay, so if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to like this video today and subscribe to my YouTube channel in order for you to get updated on all my video uploads every week. Okay, so without further ado, let's start! Alright, so our topic for today is about globalization for nothing. Okay, so if you have any idea about globalization for nothing, globalization of nothing, please write them down on the comment section para makita natin kung tama or mali after this tutorial. Okay, so when we say globalization of nothing, ano ba ang pumapasok sa isip ninyo? Okay. So, sabi dito, that is actually authored or that is actually theorized under the book of George Ritzer. Okay. So, he has a book and he discussed about globalization of nothing. Okay. So, sabi dito, the globalization of nothing, that the grand narrative or social story of this period is a movement from something to nothing. According to the concept of Ritzer, the idea behind globalization of nothing is that it always talks about the period of the movement from something to nothing. Okay? So, yun lang ang ibig sabihin niya. Ano bang ibig sabihin niya? A movement from something to nothing. So, meron ka tapos mawawala. Okay, so that is globalization of nothing. So, I will give you an example for us to further understand what is globalization of nothing. Okay, so, di ba, before the introduction of technology, before everything else, before globalization is rampant in all countries, di ba meron tayong sari-sariling kultura, meron tayong sari-sariling lengguwahe, sariling pamumuhay. However, because of globalization, yan yung sabi natin something na meron tayong kultura. Pero dahil sa globalization na yan, nawawala. Kaya globalization of nothing. Diba? May mga proseso na napapadali kaya nakakalimutan na natin. Gaya nga ng kultura na sinasabi ko, meron tayong sariling pagkakakilanlan. So, halimbawa sa kultura natin. So, kung noon, nung mga tao maybe in the early 1990s, and late 1980s, yung mga tao noon, alam pa nila yung native dances natin. So, each of the provinces maybe in the Philippines, let's say for example, in the Cordillerans, meron tayong sari-sariling native dances. However, because of the introduction of globalization, introduction of technologies, yung iba nakakalimutan na natin. Nakakalimutan na yung mga kultura na yan. So, kung tatanungin mo sila na or sasabihan mo sila na magsayaw ng native dance, hindi nila alam kasi ang alam nila yung mga hip-hop dance. And that hip-hop dance was introduced to us by other countries. Hindi naman sayaw yan ng Pilipinas. Hindi naman yan sayaw ng Cordillera or kung anong region dito sa Pilipinas. So, yun ang sinasabi nilang globalization of nothing. We have something before, but because of globalization, we have nothing. Nawawala yung mga ginagawa natin dati. Yung mga magagandang proseso natin, napapadali or nadadagdagan at minsan nakakalimutan na natin. Okay, so that is globalization of nothing. So that ends again our simple tutorial about globalization of nothing, and I hope that you are able to get the meaning of that topic. And if you still want to clarify something, please don't hesitate to write your question on the comment section and I will give you back a reply. Kung hindi ako busy, babasahin ko, magre-reply ako. Or magsulat lang kayo ng suggestion at gawan ko din ng tutorial. Okay, so that ends our talk for today. And if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to like this video today and subscribe to my YouTube channel in order for you to get updated on all my video uploads every week. Okay, so goodbye everyone!